Giraffe pays the fastest during the first sessions of a new game. That means the easiest way to slow yourself down is staying too long on one low-paying title. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest strategy to earn more Giraffe coins without wasting hours on bad games. Here's the direct answer. Pick high-paying games, rotate early, focus on fast progression, and check for new offers every day. That's how you increase coins per hour. Start with game selection. Giraffe gives different coin rates depending on the game. Some titles reward faster because they want new players badly. Others pay slower because the demand is lower. That changes everything. Before you install anything, look at the reward level. Always start with the highest paying options first. That's the fastest path. Next, rotate games early. This matters more than people think. Reward apps usually pay the most when you're brand new in a game. Early levels are faster, easier, and packed with milestones. That means your first hour often earns more than your fourth hour. Once progress slows, switch to RG. Don't stay out of habit. That kills your coin per minute rate. Now, focus on fast leveling games. Idle games, puzzle games, and simple builders usually move faster than strategy-heavy games. Fast progression means faster milestones. Faster milestones mean faster coins. That's the formula. Avoid games with long tutorials, heavy ads, or slow upgrade systems. Those waste time. Timing matters too. Giraffe updates offers regularly. A game paying well today might disappear tomorrow. Check the app daily. That keeps you on the best current offers. Missing new high-paying games can cut your earnings hard. One smart move is stacking sessions. Install 3 games at once. Play each for 20 to 30 minutes. Track which one gives the best coin progress. Keep the winner. Drop the rest. That's how you test efficiently. One mistake to avoid: going idle. Giraffe tracks active play. If you leave the app open without real progress, earnings can slow or stop. Progress matters. Quick recap. Pick the highest paying games first. Switch when progress slows. Prioritize fast leveling games. Check new offers daily. Test multiple games at once. Practical next step. Install 3 top paying Giraffe games today and compare how many coins each gives you in your first 30 minutes. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more earning app strategies.